Welcome to our comprehensive guide on learning programming from scratch. Whether you're an aspiring developer or just curious about coding, this journey will equip you with the fundamental skills to thrive in the world of technology. Step 1. Understand the basics. Programming languages are like building blocks. Start with the foundational concepts, variables, loops, and conditions. Dive into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for web development or Python for its simplicity and versatility. Step 2. Practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering programming is hands-on experience. Tackle small projects, solve coding challenges, and immerse yourself in coding exercises available on platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, or LeetCode. Step 3. Build real-world projects. Apply what you've learned by creating your projects. Start with something manageable, a personal website, a simple app, a task. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and showcases your skills. Step 4. Embrace the community. Programming is a collaborative field. Engage with forums, attend meetups, and join coding communities like GitHub or Stack Overflow. Learning from others and sharing knowledge accelerates your growth. Step 5. Stay curious and never stop learning. Technology evolves rapidly. Keep exploring new languages, frameworks, and tools. Follow industry blogs, watch tutorials, and don't hesitate to try something new. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey. Remember, becoming proficient in programming takes time and dedication. So, start small, stay persistent, and soon you'll be crafting your innovative solutions. Subscribe for more tips and